Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is this is the question given over here. So let us bring this down first. Here it's given you have to find the value of root of a square plus b square plus c square. So we'll see the value of a, b and c, and later on we'll solve it. So first thing we'll bring this down. So according if we take this and this, if we solve this one, 3 is equal to 6c, what do you get here? A will be 6 will be as it is here, and this will go on the other side, that will get divided. So that is going to be 2c. So we got here a is equal to 2c. Now let us see for b. So now let us say for b, let us take this 2. So what does this say? This here 4b is equal to 6c. So b is here, 6 is here itself, 6 and c. So if we take this 4 on the other side, it is going to get divided. So this will be, if we simplify it, 2 2s and 2 3s. So b, the value of b is 3 by 2 c. So now what is given over here? A plus b plus c is equal to 27 by root of 29. So this is this one, a plus b plus c is equal to 27 root of 29. So here we have the a value. So let us put that is what, 2c in place of this 2c. Here 3 by 2c, and let us keep this c as it is first, and this will be the same. So now what you can see, the LCM here is 2. So 2 means there is in the denominator is 1. So we are going to multiply this by 2. So since you have multiplied this by 2, this also should be multiplied by 2. Same over here. C means here the denominator is 1. You have to multiply by 2. Here also you will go to multiply by 2. So now what happens here? 4c plus c, 3c as it is, plus 2c divided by, because the LCM is 2, this will be same. So now 7 plus 2, that is going to be 9c, divided by 2 is this one. So we'll first we'll solve this to get the value of c. So here you can see the steps are more, but don't worry, the more the steps, the less the mistake. So you don't have to see, you can minimize the steps later on, but see that first thing when you are solving, do with the more number of steps. So c is equal to 2 into 27 root 9 divided by this goes in the denominator. So now what is there? When you simplify this, 9 ones are 9 threes are, and this is going to be 6 root of 29. So you got the value of c as 6 root of 29. So now what are we going to do? What they have asked for this one, root of a square plus b square plus c square. So now let us write that one. So now we are just going to plug in the values. What did we get here? We got the a value as 2c. So we are going to put 2c, but this is the square of it. So we'll put a bracket and put a square. B value is 3 by 2c. That is what we got over here. Again here, because that is a root, that is a square, sorry. So we are going to put a bracket over here. And initially we are not going to put any, we got this value of c over here, but we'll just keep c square as it is first. So now see here, whenever you multiply this, means you have to multiply this into this into this. That is going to be 4c square. Again for here, this into this, that is going to be 9 by 4, and this c square. So 9 by 4 c square, and let us keep this c square as it is. So now what you can see in the denominator is 4. So again here we have to take the LCM. So 1 into 4, and here will be again the numerator also by 4. Here 1 into 4, again the numerator is going to be 4. So now look at here. So what is this going to be? 4 4s are 16c square plus 9c square, this as it is, plus 4c square divided by 4. So when you add this, now you can see all are c square. So now when you add this one, this will be 25 and 4, that is going to be 29c square, and divided by 4. So now you know this, whenever there in the root there is c square, means that is going to be c, that is c over here. Now this is 4, that is the root of 1 by 4, that is going to be 1 by 2. So means in the denominator it is 2. But now when you see here, root of 29, this is a prime number, this you have to write root of 29 as it is. So here this c by 2 root of 29. Now you can plug in the value. We know what did you get here? C we got as 6 root of 29. So just for this c, I just put here 6 root of 29, and this as it is, and the denominator again this one. So what will be here? Simplify this. 2 1s are 2 3s are, that is 3 over here. And whenever this is there, whenever you have 2 times the root, so that means that will be, the root will go off, that will be 29. The root of 29 into root of 20 into 29, you just see, and you get the perfect square, that is 29. And so you don't have to think about again multiplying, but whenever you have two roots here with the same number, you have to just remove the root. So here 3 multiplied by 29, that is the your answer should be 87. So by this one, I request to all of you to please subscribe my channel, share with your friends and families. It will motivate me to make more good content videos. Thank you.